Blender add PNG to material. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many Blender beginners want to learn how to apply image textures to objects but find the process confusing. Clear steps help them understand materials, improve their model's appearance, and create more realistic designs. It also helps users build confidence when working with Blender's material and texture tools for the first time. First, open Blender on your computer to begin the process. After the program loads, press the Z key on your keyboard to choose which view and switch to Material Preview mode so you can see textures clearly. Next, go to the Materials section on the side menu and locate the surface settings. Click on the base color option to begin adding a texture. From there, look for the image texture option and select it. Then, click on the file icon to apply your image. A file browser will appear, allowing you to select the image you want to use. Choose the image and confirm your selection so it is applied to the object. You can also repeat this same process with any other material if you want to apply different textures to different objects. After that, press Shift and A on your keyboard to open more options for adding new objects. From the menu that appears, go to the Mesh section and choose the plane option to add a flat surface into your scene. Once the plane is added, go back to the Materials section on the side menu. In the Surface section, click on the base color again to apply a texture to this new object. Look for the Image Texture option and select it just like before. Then, add the image by clicking the file icon and choosing your desired image from your files. Confirm your selection so the image appears on the plane. Make sure the image is displayed correctly in the preview. If needed, adjust your view to see the result more clearly. This method allows you to apply images as textures to objects in your scene. By following these steps carefully, you can add visual detail and improve the appearance of your models. Practicing this process will help you become more comfortable with materials and textures in Blender, allowing you to create more realistic and visually appealing designs over time with better control and creativity in your projects.